The Quest for the Lost Crystal. Once upon a time in the mystical land of Ildoria, a brave young woman named Lyra lived in a small village at the edge of an enchanted forest. The villagers often spoke of a legendary crystal that was said to grant immense power to its possessor. This crystal, known as the Heart of Ildoria, was hidden deep within the Forbidden Caves, a place filled with ancient magic and treacherous traps. One fateful morning, as the sun cast golden rays over the village, Lyra gathered her courage. She knew she had to embark on a quest to find the crystal and ensure it never fell into the hands of darkness. With a sturdy backpack, a map handed down through her family, and a fierce determination, she set off toward the forest. As she ventured deeper into the woods, the trees grew taller, their branches intertwining like the fingers of giants. The air was thick with the scent of wild flowers and adventure. After hours of walking, Lyra arrived at the mouth of the Forbidden Caves. A chill ran down her spine, but she took a deep breath and stepped inside. The cave was dimly lit, with crystals glimmering on the walls like stars in the night sky. However, Lyra soon realized she was not alone. Shadows flickered in the corners of her vision, and echoing footsteps hinted that others might be seeking the crystal too. Suddenly, a giant stone door blocked her path, inscribed with ancient symbols. To pass, she needed to solve a riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Lyra pondered for a moment. Remembering her grandmother's tales, she answered, "An echo." The door rumbled and slowly opened, revealing a vast chamber filled with sparkling treasures and glowing crystals. But among the glittering prizes, a dark figure emerged, a sorcerer who had been waiting for someone brave enough to enter the caves. "You're a fool to come here, Lyra," he sneered. "The heart of Ildoria will be mine." As the sorcerer raised his hands, dark clouds swirled around him, and shadows sprang to life. Lyra realized she had to act quickly. Remembering the skills she learned from her training, she summoned the magic of the forest, calling upon the ancient spirits to aid her. With a heart full of hope, she shouted a spell taught by her grandmother, causing beautiful vines to wrap around the sorcerer, restraining him. With a final burst of energy, Lyra dashed towards the crystal, reaching it just as light enveloped the room. The heart of Ildoria pulsated with life, and she felt its power surge through her. With a wave of her hand, the sorcerer was banished, his dark magic dissolving into the air. Triumphant, Lyra returned to her village, the heart of Ildoria safely in her possession. The villagers cheered, forever grateful for her bravery. From that day on, she became a symbol of hope and courage, reminding everyone that with determination and a pure heart, any adventure could lead to greatness. And thus, the legend of Lyra, the Crystal Guardian, was born.